Hey, is your Windows 10 or Windows 11 slow, sluggish, and you tried everything possible you can do to speed it up? Well, this method in this episode might actually help you. Stick around. So, the method we are going to be talking about is resetting your PC. Basically, it's called resetting your PC. So, what it does is it resets your PC back to factory default. How you install Windows 10 or Windows 11. But we can save your data. Well, kind of. So you can save your files and documents. Your program files that you install gets wiped out, but your file, your documents, pictures, whatever you put on as files gets saved to your computer or laptop. So let's get started. Go down here to the type your search. We're going to type in reset. Go to reset this PC. You're going to see this box here. We're going to click on get started. You can go keep my files or remove everything. So how I told you earlier in this episode, we're going to keep the files, but it's going to remove your apps and settings. Okay, so without any data loss. So we're going to click on keep my files. Okay, and we're going to do a local reinstall. We're not going to do the cloud download. What cloud download does is it'll download the whole Windows 10 ISO, and then you can save the ISO and then restart, do the factory restart later. But we're going to do a local reinstall, so we don't have to worry about that. It takes longer if you do the cloud. So here we can just saying current setting reinstall Windows from this device. Click next. Okay, so here, if you don't have enough space, it'll say, hey, you don't have enough space. So my hard drive doesn't have enough space. You can go and for your sake, you're gonna have enough space on your hard drive. So the next screen you're gonna see is it's gonna show apps you're gonna lose. You can see what apps you're gonna lose, and you're gonna hit next. And as soon as you hit next, it'll go through the factory reinstall. It takes about 40 to 45 minutes, depending on your specs on your computer or laptop. So if you have low specs, it's gonna take longer. But if you have like say an SSD and 16 gigs RAM and whatnot, quad core processor, then it should take 30, 40 minutes. And after that, it'll say successful, and then you'll be up and running. That should speed things up tremendously. If it did, let me know in the comments below. That is how to reset your PC. Super easy. Let me know if it works by giving this episode a thumbs up. And if you want more tips, tricks, and guides to Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any technology related, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.